Hi everyone, welcome to your very final official course that's not solely project related in your DNP program. Congratulations for getting here, and this is really a time to celebrate. And also, population health is an opportunity for us to really put absolutely everything together. So we're really focused on looking at not only population health, but how it integrates with much of what you've already learned throughout the program. So we're going to be pulling on some of those key concepts as we move forward with this particular course. So we're kind of putting everything together at this point. So as far as starting out with the course, this is really crucial to have that population health acumen, because this is really one of the major directions where healthcare is going, and you as almost DNP prepared leaders have the opportunity to really make a difference in healthcare and really lead the way as far as shifting the culture of healthcare. And it's already in progress, of course, but really instituting those key concepts of population health, not only in your own practice, but mentoring population health for those who you serve, whether it be students or the staff that you serve. So keep that in mind, that this is a very big picture focus as far as not only just finishing the course, but this really will propel your practice and help you to be even a stronger change leader in healthcare. So let's go ahead and get started with the course itself. And of course, under the faculty tab, here's my contact information, so feel free to send me an email. If you want to talk directly, we can most certainly do that. Just send me an email and we'll set up a time. So let me know if you need to reach out. And then we'll go ahead and move into the Start Here section. And this is where we, of course, have the course calendar and when the due dates are for our 2 assignments in this particular course. And the assignments build on each other. So just kind of looking forward, the first is the Epidemiology at Risk Analysis Matrix, and that's due November the 13th. And then the Population Health Focused Design Project is due by December the 4th. So let's take a look at the calendar itself so you can kind of see the structure of the course. The course itself is divided into 4 leadership modules, and you can see that the dates are listed for each one of the modules, along with the key content as far as the module itself, and then the assignments and due dates. So if you notice, there are 2 forums in both Leadership Module number 1 and Leadership Module number 3. And there's also your assignments are listed here as well. So just kind of take a look at the calendar. I do suggest printing it out or writing it, transferring it to whatever system you use to keep track of everything. The forums themselves are going to be worth 30% of the grade, so they are a significant portion of the course. And it will help you as we're doing the discussion boards to actually formulate your assignment. So everything kind of ticks and ties. If you have any questions about the calendar itself, please let me know. But it's very similar to what we've done in the past. So let's move on. So we're back in the Start Here section. We have our syllabus here, and we have all the rubrics for the course. So the first assignment that you will actually have will be the Epidemiology at Risk Assessment, and I do have a matrix uploaded here so that you can use that. Population health really isn't conducive to writing papers. It's about getting key data and analyzing that data. So that's what the matrix is all about. So you will actually complete the matrix, and I do have a rubric listed here to make sure that you have all the information that you need in your matrix. And the matrix is formulated to include the key concepts of the rubric right on the matrix, so it's easier for you to actually connect the dots and cover all the key elements of the rubric itself. So hopefully it's a little user-friendly. And if you have any suggestions or questions about using the matrix or the assignments, please let me know. But you'll have detailed information in the modules as far as completing the specific assignments. And as always, information on APA is included here in the textbooks that you will be using for the course. And I do try to give you feedback within 1 week. Usually it's much quicker than that. So let's go ahead and move on. So here we're starting out in the module cover page, and it has all the leadership outcomes and the specific objectives for each one of the different modules. So we're going to lay a solid foundation in our first module and really look at those foundational concepts of population health so that you can build upon those and move forward. The next one, we're really going to dive quite a bit into population-focused analysis in systems. So really looking at doing that data gathering and analysis process will be kind of the foundation for module number 2. And then module number 3, we're going to look at improvement processes in population health and the complexity of actually integrating beyond our locus of control when we do population health, because this is where we're really looking at the continuum of care and trying to break down some of those silos that still continue to exist in healthcare that really impedes actually elevation of our health. So not only are we looking at traditional healthcare facilities, we're looking at a broad spectrum as far as the different organizations and different factors that do impact our health. And this is such a critical component to look at, and integrating those social determinants of health. So those are key factors to really think about as we're moving forward in population health. And then our final module is where we're putting everything together. You're actually going to design a project, a population health project, based on your analysis and based on a particular population of your area of focus. So again, we're putting those pieces together to come up with a design project, and the concept behind the design project is actually for implementation at a later date for this particular project. So we're designing it very specifically for your area of practice where you may have your practicum, but we're really going to devise something that's very tangible and usable for you in your practice to elevate population health. So we'll take a quick look at one of the modules. Just like before, the modules are set up, and there will be a module overview with a video once I complete it, and along with things to think about and some TED Talks and some different information from some of the authoritative bodies in population health. And we're going to start off with really examining the triple aim through the Institute of Healthcare Improvement and thinking upstream. So shifting our thought process is key as far as looking at ways that we can practice different levels of prevention. So again, it's very important to kind of change our thought processes when we're so used to applying sick care, when in actuality we really need to, in order to be those change agents, shift to upstream thinking and thinking in terms of prevention, whatever level a person may be, whether it be primary, secondary, or tertiary, with chronic disease being tertiary, but how to prevent complications, those types of things. We're having a flashback to epidemiology as well. So Robert Wood Johnson Foundation is a key player as far as the culture of health. So we're going to be diving into information from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation as well. And of course, we have our readings and then the resources for success, the content folder. In each one of the modules, there are content folders so that you can find information that will be helpful to you as you're completing your assignments and doing your work throughout this course. So just highlighting the menu on the left-hand side of the course, we also have the help desk, the IT information, and we also have instant access to the library. So this is the link that goes directly to the library that's right here within the course. So we've already touched on the leadership modules. Let's dive into the forum very quickly. And as we've done in the past, there will be options for answering the questions. And I do want to highlight that the modules are the forums themselves. There are some built-in pauses in the course to allow you time to work on your assignments. So I just want you to know that we've accommodated for some of the work that you will be doing. And if you want to note that that's indicated in blue in the forums to kind of give you a precursor that there will be a pause in the forums to allow you to work on your particular assignments. And also on the calendar, it has the dates of each one of the forums included there as well. So if you have any questions whatsoever about completing the course or how it's structured, or if anything is unclear, please be sure to let me know. I have included, I just want to go back to the Start Here section, and for your information, and if you want to recap how the forums will actually roll, the forum questions will be opened before the forum officially is open for your posts and discussions. So the forum questions will be revealed the Wednesday before, actually, to allow you a full week to compose your post. So forums open officially on Mondays, and you must post your response to the questions by Wednesdays. So the Wednesday before, the question will be revealed to you, and you can work ahead and complete those in a Word document, and then wait until that Monday or up until that Wednesday to post your initial response, and then you have until Sundays to do your 2 comments. So if that's unclear at all, be sure to let me know, but I put it right here just as a refresher because there's some moving parts going on in the course itself. So if you have any questions, let me know, but congratulations once again. This is your very last course, didactic course in the DNP program, and I'm really thrilled to be able to share it with you. So take care and let's have fun.